Ever gasped at a gas pump price? Let's face it, filling up your tank these days feels like pouring lighter fluid on your wallet and setting it ablaze. Enter the age of electric vehicles, these silent steeds promising a future free from fossil fuels and dependence on ever-fluctuating gas prices. But are electric cars really affordable? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Teslas, the undeniable rock stars of the EV revolution, to answer the burning question, how much does a Tesla cost per month? Now, before we jump into numbers, it's important to understand that unlike a gallon of gas, a Tesla payment depends on a few key factors. Think of it like creating your own personalized energy cocktail. The first ingredient is the price of the Tesla itself. These electric marvels range from the sleek and sporty Model 3, starting around $38,000, to the luxurious Model S, which can set you back upwards of $90,000. Just like choosing a fancy cocktail with top-shelf liquor, higher-end models with all the bells and whistles will naturally bump up the price. Next, consider your down payment. Imagine this as the ice in your drink. The more you put down up front, the lower your monthly payments will be. Typically, a down payment of around $4,500 is recommended, but hey, the more you can manage, the better off your wallet will be in the long run. Now, let's talk about the real kicker, the interest rate. This is like the fancy bitters you add to your drink. A small amount can make a big difference. Your interest rate will depend on your credit score. The better your credit, the lower the rate you'll qualify for, resulting in a more budget-friendly monthly payment. Finally, we have the loan term. This is basically the amount of time you have to sip on your Tesla-flavored financial beverage. Longer loan terms mean lower monthly payments, but you'll end up paying more interest overall. The sweet spot typically falls between 60 and 72 months, but this depends on your comfort level and financial goals. Alright, so with all these ingredients swirling around, what's the final result? Buckle up, because the answer isn't a one-size-fits-all. Here's a ballpark estimate. For a base Model 3 with a $4,500 down payment and a 72-month loan at an average interest rate, you might be looking at a monthly payment around $575. On the other hand, a top-of-the-line Model S with the same down payment and loan term, but a potentially higher interest rate due to the higher price tag, could land you closer to a $1,500 monthly payment. Leasing is another option. Tesla offers 24-month and 36-month leases, which can be attractive if you like the idea of driving a new car every few years. Generally, lease payments tend to be lower than purchase payments, but you won't own the car at the end of the lease term. Now, remember, these are just estimates. The best way to get a real idea of how much a Tesla will cost you per month is to head over to Tesla's website and play around with their loan calculator. This nifty tool factors in the specific model you're interested in, your desired down payment, and your estimated credit score to give you a personalized payment estimate. So, is a Tesla payment affordable? Well, that depends. If you're currently spending hundreds of dollars a month on gas, the potential savings on fuel costs can significantly offset your monthly payment. Plus, Tesla ownership comes with a slew of potential benefits, government tax credits, lower maintenance costs due to fewer moving parts, and the satisfaction of driving a cutting-edge, eco-friendly vehicle. Of course, Teslas aren't for everyone. The upfront cost can be a barrier, and the charging infrastructure isn't quite as ubiquitous as gas stations yet. But if you're financially prepared, environmentally conscious, and crave a futuristic driving experience, a Tesla might just be the perfect electric vehicle for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.